What up, DAI?
What's up, B?
Where are we and what are we doing on this fine day?
So today we're back at the Willow Springs Hosty, and we got this beautiful S14 from my friend CY from Evasive.
Man, first S chassis that we're featuring here on your channel.
Right? It's about time. So I never really had a chance to feature S chassis. But yeah, here we are with the beautiful S14. It's a Koki, and as far as look, very JDM, right?
No, super, man. There's something about Koki S14s that just kind of do it for me. And this thing is kitted out with all the cool JDM bits, right?
Yeah, as you say, I really like the Koki, but actually I owned the Zenki 14 in Japan. And that was actually my last car I owned back in Japan.
Before moving here?
Before moving here.
Wow.
It's a black S14. Maybe I can show you guys the picture here.
Got it.
The reason why I got the Zenki was because Koki was too expensive. I couldn't get it. So yeah, I understand what you mean. Like you like Koki, but now after I owned the Zenki, I like Zenki as well.
They're both awesome.
Yeah.
But man, just I don't know, the Koki headlights just kind of do something for me. I don't know why.
It's a lot sharper for sure. As you see the body kit, it's a Veltex T&D.
What's up? Shout out Ueno.
Right,
Yokohama.
and also Voltex wing. And T37 and the Project Muse. So it's all nice, cool parts, right?
Seriously, he did a good job putting this guy together.
For sure. And then it's like some sort of a Porsche neon green kind of car. I forgot the name.
Okay.
Which kind of stands out quite a bit, right?
Yeah. So kitted out with all this JDM hardware, what does he have under the hood?
You're not gonna believe it.
That looks like perfect in there. That fits so good, right?
It fits really well. So this is a street car, it's not a track car. It seems pretty like comfortably fitting right there, right?
For sure. No, it looks like it's supposed to be there, you know?
And you know, everybody thinks LS makes more weight, you know, compared to like KAs, right?
You would think.
But he said it's only like less than 100 pounds over.
Gotcha, because it's aluminum block, right?
Aluminum block.
Wow.
And yeah, there's no like turbo or anything, so yeah. Seems pretty good.
Well, you have the worst job today of taking this thing out on the track. I'm gonna go get set up to get our shots, and we'll catch up with you after you're done.
All right. Let's
have
do
fun,
it.
buddy.
Thank you. All right. All right. All right, let's do it. I've never driven the non-drift S chassis with LS motor. Oh, wow.
How'd that feel, bro?
Good, man. It's chassis can't go any wrong, man. Wow.
Did that bring back some JDM feels?
You know what? It's kind of funny. It's very American to me, to be honest.
Duh, with the motor.
Yeah.
I kind of missed the high revving SR20 turbo
I hear
sounds, but the LS sounded kind of beastly.
Yeah, it's a different type of sound, right? To be honest, I like the SR sound with 2J sounds better. But you know what? Actually, I've never driven its chassis with LS swap. Not for drift car. This is not drift car, right?
Yeah.
I mean, of course, I did a little sliding here and there, but it's actually really, really talky, right? So no sliding, just try to go as fast as I can. It's very talky, so I don't have to shift as much, which is a good thing.
Got it.
And this one doesn't really have a loud exhaust, so it must be pretty comfortable driving, like daily driver kind of thing.
For sure.
It was really good to drive, getting sideways easily, and
But all in all, fun, right?
yeah, it's all fun. Good times. Since I drove this car on the track, you know, I did a few laps, more than a few, maybe I did like 10 laps, so I would like to change the oil. So we're gonna go back to Evasive and we'll change the oil.
Just like how you used to do back in the day in Japan, right?
Yeah, man, I used to work at the Eneos gas station, so I've done a lot of oil change back then, especially this era, like late 90s, so I'm good at it.
I hope so.
Let's do it. Thank you guys for watching this video. If you like our stuff, please like and subscribe my channel. We'll see you on the next video. じゃあね。